Hey friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day. Today's video is a huge makeup unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it. So I purchased a lot of stuff over the past month or so, and so I have stuff. This is kind of a cumulative haul, and I really haven't unboxed any of it. I have stuff here from Clinique Online, from Sephora, from Ulta, from Morphe, and I think that's it. I just did an unboxing or reveal of some items that I bought at Makeup Revolution. If you haven't seen that, it should be up before this one's up, so go check that out. I will leave it up here in the cards for you. So I don't really know where to start, but we're just gonna dig in. Actually, these things I did take out of the box, so I'll go ahead and show you what I got from Ulta. They were just having a good sale. I don't even think it was... may have been after Thanksgiving. Honestly, I don't remember. So I picked up a couple of the Juvia's Place, it's Juvia's Place, right? Palettes. I've never tried any of these palettes. So first of all, I have the violets. I think the packaging on these are so pretty. So it comes wrapped in that, so that's nice. Really pretty packaging. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? That is gorgeous. They look super pigmented. I don't really know anything about these, like how they go on or whatever, but I'm really excited to try them. The other one I got is the Nubian. So that was the violets. This one is the Nubian. So it's kind of a mini palette. These are more like warmer tones. Really pretty. Next, I got this Real Techniques limited edition brush set. I just thought it was so pretty with the sparkles. I mean, come on. How could I not get this? And it even has a bag. So it has the multitask cheek brush, the essential foundation brush, the angled shadow, and the precision fan brush with the bag. It was a really good price too. I think it was like $10 or something. I don't know. Really cheap for that. Okay, I think that's all I got from Ulta. Oh no, I got this. This is for my sister for Christmas. She really likes this. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. So I'm going to give her this for Christmas as one of her gifts. All right, next I got just one thing. I only really purchased one thing from Sephora because I saw it on sale. And this is one of Natasha Denona's big palettes. And I feel like I do have a smaller one of the palettes that I got on major sale. This was also on major sale. So this is the Tropic palette. It's like, ooh, pretty. Look at these colors. How pretty are those? Love, love. So hopefully these are really nice. It was still expensive, even though it was on like a major sale. Like it was still expensive. But I thought, you know what? If I'm ever going to try one, at least I'll get it on sale. You know what I mean? The other two things, well, I got a little sample of Lord Jones CBD body lotion. I don't know. I thought it looked interesting, so I thought I'd get it. And then the other sample I got is the YSL All Hours Foundation samples. Maybe one of these will match my skin. We'll see. Maybe that one. That's a big maybe. It's a warm, so we'll see. But I really was excited about this. I have a bunch of points. I mean, not a ton, probably like 2,000 points at Sephora because I just never used them. But when I saw this, it was a 500 point perk. I was like, yes, I'm getting it. And I was surprised that there were even any left. This is the La Mer set, and it has the moisturizing soft cream, the renewal oil, the regenerating serum, and the eye concentrate. So I am super excited about this, although I'm hoping that I don't like it because all of this stuff is so expensive. I mean, if it were these things like in a full size, you'd be looking at like over $500, if not more, just for these four things. So of course the stuff is tiny, which I expected, no big deal. But this is the moisturizing soft cream. So there's that. And then next we have the renewal oil. And it's little bitty. Next is the eye concentrate. So that's what that looks like. And lastly is the regenerating serum. So I'll definitely be using this. And like I said, hopefully I don't like it. If so, my husband better get a second job. Okay, just kidding. Next, let's go ahead and see the things that I got from Clinique. So they're in this box here, packaged fairly nicely there. First of all, I got this little brush set. And all of these things were cheap because I wouldn't have just gotten them if they weren't. I wish I had the receipt. No receipt. Okay, so this little brush set, and let's see how it comes. Oh, it has a bag. That's nice. I have 3 brushes. I like how they're clear. And I don't know what these brushes are. Yeah, it doesn't have the names, but we have those 3 brushes there. I think I got this for maybe $10. And I think when I bought all this stuff, Clinique had a pretty good cash back percentage on Rakuten. That's also one of the reasons why I did it. If you haven't seen my Rakuten video, check it out. If you don't use Rakuten, you should be using it because you're just leaving money on the table if you shop online. I got this Cheek Pops. It says $29.50. I did not pay $29.50 for it. And I actually have another one of these that's identical to this, except the colors aren't identical. But I really, really like these Cheek Pops. And these weren't in the set that I already have. The only bad thing is I don't think it has the names of them on here. Okay, so this is Black Honey Pop, Pink Honey Pop, and Gold Celebration Pop. Okay, that took a minute. I am guessing the one in the middle is the Black Honey, and then the one over here, right here, is the Pink Honey Pop, and then this is the Gold Celebration. I really like these. These are good blushes. So if you can find them on sale, like, get them. They have a really good glow about them. So these are good. I like those. Next, I got 2 of these, like they're little ornaments. Take the Day Off, and it's a little mascara and the cleansing balm. And I've been wanting to try the Clinique cleansing balm, so I thought I would just go ahead and pick it up. It's called a Beauty Bobble. That's what they call it. So it's the High Impact Mascara in Optimal Black, and then the Take the Day Off cleansing balm. There you go. And if you watched my skincare routine, you know that I love cleansing balms and oils. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. I will leave it up above for you. I also got this, and I think this was a free gift. Cute little bag. Oh, okay. So everything's in here, so that's nice. Mostly skincare. So we have Rinse Off foaming cleanser here. It's a nice size, probably like a 2-ounce size. And then the Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate, which is in this here. There is an eye makeup remover there. There is an eyeliner, a mascara, and then I can't tell what that is. It's just a little, it's definitely skincare. That was just free, you know, for buying these products. Maybe what I'm most excited about from this whole thing, or from this Clinique haul, is this. So this is, first of all, how cute is it? So it's a magnet. Check it out. How cool. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there are several lip pencils, several of the chubby sticks, and then a couple lip glosses, and the, what do they call them? Like the lipstick pops. I don't know what they call them. These are here. So I'm really excited about these. If you would like for me to do a swatch video, be sure and let me know, because that would be really fun to try all of these. Isn't that just stinking cute? Love it. Lastly, I got a whole bunch of stuff from Morphe. Some of this may be for giveaways or for gifts. I don't know. They were having a good sale, so I went ahead and purchased a few things. I don't have a ton of Morphe products. It just reminded me, I actually did get something else from Morphe from Ulta, and it was sitting here and I didn't show you. So it's this. It is the Whoa La La. So again, this came from Ulta. How cool is this? Set includes Sweetness and Spice Artistry Palette Lip Gloss, Oval Shadow Brush, Crease, Full Brush, and Fluff Brush, and a makeup bag. That's a nice little makeup bag to keep in your purse too. So just a clear gloss, 2 brushes, and a little palette. There's the palette. Nice neutral palette, I would say. It's a nice, like, everyday palette. Okay, so these things I got at Ulta, not at Morphe itself. What did I get here? Here is a setting spray. I've never tried their setting sprays. This is the Morphe and Jeffree Starberry Scent Set and Refresh Mist. It has the strawberry there on the top. Yep, here's the other one. They put in so much packaging, which is good. I mean, it kept everything from getting messed up. Tons of packaging. I even took some of it out in there, and there's still a ton. And another one, so I got 3 of these. Oh no, I got 4. Here's another one. And then I got a couple of the Morphe and Jeffree Star eye brush collections. So I will open, I think I got two of these. That's what it looks like. I'm not like a huge Jeffree Star fan. If I see something that I think is a good deal, then I'll just go ahead and get it. So there are, gosh, a lot of brushes in there. 10. There are 10 brushes in here. I like that they're pink. I don't have any pink brushes, I don't think. This will be a good like pencil case. I got a few of these, and then I got 2 of the highlighters. So they're both the high impact highlighters. One is in Stardust and one is in Boom. So let's see what these look like. Pretty pretty. Matches my nails. So that one was Boom, and this one is Stardust. Just like the other one. Oh, and this is just like this is white. So probably perfect for me, since most highlighters, if they have any type of color or any darker than that one we looked at before, it's going to be too dark for me. So stay tuned for a giveaway. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, like almost there. So I would really appreciate it if you could share my videos to your friends and help me get that subscriber count to 2,000, because I'll be doing a few giveaways once I get to 2,000. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.